What's the deal? I'm Difference Maker.
About to do rear brakes on a 2019 Honda Accord. Stay tuned.
First things first, let's get the wheel off the ground and remove it from the car. Once the wheel is removed, you now have access to the brake pads. First, you want to focus on this retainer clip because it must be removed. Here is a quick look at the old pad compared to the new one. Once you remove the two bolts and the caliper, you then will shift your focus to this piston, which must be screwed in by a specialty tool before moving forward. I can promise that this right here is the reason for the noise.
One other detail I want to add before I close this video out. These little caps right here, they fit, your screws that hold your caliper on. They snap in here. What that does is keep water from getting on your bolts, road grime and stuff like that. You just want to be sure you snap them back in place. It's two of them. And then I wanted to be sure we added this. I didn't show it on the driver's side, but this your retainer clip. And all this does is secure your pad and your caliper, just make sure things are tight, You don't want anything loose or moving around on anything relating to your brake system. So this just kind of help keep things secure. So, hey, I hope this video helps somebody. I hope, you gain something from it. I'm gonna start going live more and doing videos on the things I do so you guys can know that I'm one of a kind, focused on motivational speaking, but as you can see, there's a lot of other value I can add as well. So I just want to travel the world and teach this to young people, showing them that, hey, you can learn, you can study, and you can get good at anything. You don't have to set limits on just one thing. So I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. And y'all stay tuned. I'll be doing more videos like this in the future. Car was making a loud grinding sound, squealing when you come to a stop. Let's see if it's corrected. No noise.